It's also gotten wet before.
Okay, okay.
So that place is Bug Island.
Almost there. I see them.
Dude, if
Freedom is just within our grasp.
we had brought skateboards, yes, it would have been a bumpy ride, but I think we could have traversed it a lot better.
Maybe.
Oh my gosh!
Freedom.
True. Hold on, move.
We did all that.
Dude, oh, there it is. We just gotta traverse up here.
Trash can cold. What? Remember the trash can?
Yeah. Okay. This is awesome though. You can teach us to be Spider-Man, Ethan. Hey, there's also the open gate, so like. Oh! Yeah. Alright, gotta go.